genius with this.
Thank you.
Yeah. Tell me, like, you are famous now. How's it feel?
It feels pretty normal. I try to keep a normal life, maintain it.
So I have to ask, what is it that you want to do? Like, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I just kind of go with the flow, you know? I don't have a particular goal, but just whatever happens.
You look cool, you're doing great. I have to ask one thing, you know, there's a lot of people out there that are becoming big because of YouTube or social media. Sometimes there's a lot of bullying, cyberbullying that goes on. What's your advice to the people that are part of the cyberbullying, that are getting bullied? What do you say to them?
I would just say keep doing what you're doing and don't let anybody stop you of achieving your dreams.
Awesome. You're awesome. Thank you so much and keep doing your thing.